Hey guys, Tyler Polier with Construction Attachments, introducing the new Wicked series, Excavator Ripper. This ripper comes in with 3/4 AR plate, 2 1/4-inch hard ox doublers, comes with a replaceable excavator style tooth. This attachment does come with a removable and interchangeable mount, so you can go back through various products, from our Piranha to our excavator cutter to our skid steer adapter. We've got you covered. We do sell these mounts separately, and you can just unbolt it, 8 bolts here, bolt it back together, and it'll work for all your machines in your fleet. As you can see here, we went with a serrated circular saw style tooth pattern. These actually will cut and help get those stubborn stumps out of the ground.